Hi everyone, welcome to our Workshop Wednesday / Paint Shop Wednesday. You'll see at the end of the video we don't always do updates on the paint shop, but yeah, that is for later. So at the beginning of this week we finished the assembly on this 2014 Deluxe. The previous videos you'll see the bike came in for repairs to the rear fender, and we did a touch-up on the front fender. Wine in the metal, wine finish, metal finish, the rear fender, you'll see these videos and everything after that. After that was all done, we did a hard solid, the EPX and a hard solid. Wine and then put it in the base coat color for me, and that is where I put the masking down so that I could do the camo tan paint stripe.
As you can see, Wayne and them have finished metal finishing and painting the rear fender of the Deluxe for me. So now I am busy marking out the pinstriping lines so that I can airbrush it in. We can do the pearl red on here and then clear coat it. So I'll first get all my masking lines done, and then I'll take a little shot of the airbrushing.
After one of them did the mysterious red sun glow, we clear coated it. We left the panels for a couple of days. Then we flattened it and polished it with our special 3M system that we've got. Yeah, the bike's assembled now and ready to go to its customer.
Okay, welcome to my studio. This is where all the art hopefully happens. The current paint job that I'm busy with at the moment is a 1979 FXEF. It's a shovel that came in for a little bit of TLC. In a previous video that we did post on Facebook and YouTube, Wayne and them did extensive repairs on the gas tanks. We had them cleaned up, there were holes, had them welded up. Wayne and them re-welded everything. We did a special tank coating on the insides. Wayne and them put epoxy hard solid on, flattened it. They got the gold on for me, and then it was all handed over to me. So I marked out the flames, got Wayne and them to paint that for me, and then I did the red with the blue star, with the red with the white stars, the blue background as you can see over here. So I've got some airbrushing left that I still need to do, shadows and everything like that on the flames. After that I'll be getting to the pinstriping. Black broad pinstripe, 70s style. The customer, we agreed that we would basically reproduce the paint job that was on there, which I think is quite cool. I'm sure that is actually why the guy bought the bike, but anyway, that's my taste. So hopefully by the end of this week I'll have all the shadows done and everything like that, and the pinstriping, so that I can give it to Wayne and them next week, so they can do the final clear coat for me. After that we'll let it dry for another week or so before we flatten polish it with our 3M system. So we'll be able to give you an update probably in about 2 or 3 weeks time regarding this paint job. Okay, this is another paint job that I'm busy with. It is a 1976 or 1977 Ironhead Sportster. This is a bike we got last year for me. Yeah, we've done repairs to it, to the tank. It's been coated made sure everything is correct on the tank. I did extensive research to see what color, design and everything like that we were going to go for, and I like the blue. So so as you can see over here, this is the color design I'm going to be using for this. Rainbow colors, which I like quite a lot. So I just have the airbrushing and the lines left on this one to do, and then Wayne and them can do the clear coat. So I should be able to have this finished probably in about a week or two. Then I'll be able to give an update. We can't give a weekly update on what happens in the studio, as the drying processes between all the different stages takes quite long. So yeah, but thanks very much for watching. Thanks for checking out and commenting on our YouTube and Facebook posts. We really do appreciate it. Carry on watching and have an awesome week.